3, 2, 1.
Tomorrow is Christmas, and I only have one day left to find the perfect present for one of the most important people in my life, my cat. I have been thinking about a gift for weeks now.
Just kidding. I was more like this.
Come on, think.
Yes, I know. I got it.
I have an idea. No, still not good. Everything's wrong. Let's try again. What am I gonna eat tonight? Wait, does 2 + 2 already make 4?
Now, I'm done. Woo! What do I need to make a teepee? First of all, we need a fabric. Then we need a little bit of cotton. And I've chosen small pieces of wood, a rope to tighten the wood, and a saw because I couldn't find small pieces of wood.
My client, or should I say my cat, was here during the whole process.
He already likes it. Look at him.
He was here, also here again, and yeah, he was here.
As you can see, I needed some help because I'm not good enough and I want to succeed. So is it cheating? Yeah, maybe.
And because we didn't have enough tools, we tried different methods, not good at all, but we managed to do something not that bad. I mean, look at my face, I'm so happy.
First cut, if this one is wrong, everything's up. Let's go.
I adopted him back in 2017 and he's brought so much joy and love into my life. Watching him grow from a tiny kitten to a full-grown man has been an incredible experience. Because I know him by heart, I'm sure that a teepee would be the perfect present. After a long day of playing, he usually naps under the bedsheets, keeping him warm and comfortable.
Right.
At the same time, he likes having space, so it's the perfect
1,
combination.
2, 3, and 4. So we have the 4 pieces of textile, and now that we have the outside of the teepee, we need the textile to make the pillow.
He has a unique personality, playful, affectionate, he bites a lot, and he's always there to cheer up the one he loves.
Let's go, first try.
He has taught me so much about patience.
On l'a pas allumé?
We gave up by looking at the manual and online.
Working. Woo!
Thanks, YouTube!
As you can see, it's not even at all, but on the top it's correct. So I don't know, should I start again? Okay, start again because I want it to be perfect for my cat. I've used some clothespin to stick the fabrics all together. Okay, get rid of that. Well done, man. I'm proud of myself, a little bit. Alright, so little updates. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted because I've been doing that for hours and hours. I've struggled with a lot of measurements and I don't have enough tools and enough knowledge about that, so I f***ed up a lot of things. I gotta rest at least for half an hour. Woo! One is done. Second one, third one, easy. Merry Christmas in 3,
What is it?
2,
What does he want?
1.
Is it food? What the is that? He looks dumb.
like like it? Hey, you want another one? Yeah, it's all yours.
I'll see you very soon.